On the UltraPic website, you can find a wide range of AI-powered image editing tools. Simply choose what you want to do. For example, I'm selecting Magic Eraser. Upload your image, choose the option you need. In my case, remove persons, and let UltraPic do the rest. As you can see, it removed the selected person from the image. You can use the same process with other tools, such as image enhancement. The enhancement tool can restore and improve details in your image. Another feature I personally found very useful is background removal. The result is quite impressive, especially when you need to quickly remove a background from an image. If you like discovering useful tools like this, subscribe to the channel. Now let's see how you can get the UltraPic Pro Plus subscription for free. First, open the UltraPic website and create an account. Once your account is created, click on your profile icon. Then select Enter Activation Code. Enter the activation code I'm showing on the screen and activate it. After successful activation, you'll get 30 days of Pro Plus access along with 5,000 credits. You can use these credits to try out all the available features on UltraPic. And that's it. If you want to discover more websites like this, tap on the video currently showing on your screen. I'll see you there.